Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm doing a follow-up video. I had a viewer say to me, well, it's been about a month since you did your video. Can you just check on it and give us an update? And I said I was going to do that, and I'm doing it right now. So here we are, the Winix with Plasma Wave. We did a whole review on this, an unboxing. I talked about it. And it's been running for a month, just like the viewer said. Thanks so much for reminding me. I really appreciate that. I lose track of things. So it's been running down here for a solid month, like I said, with no issues whatsoever. It's still got the blue ring around here. It's hard to see, but it's got the blue ring. When I first turned it on, it did turn a little bit of yellow, red, I think, if it starts to go bad. And the app tells you how far along it is with the filter. So here's the app. I have the app right here. It is 78%. That's what it says. It's in my basement. It says the air quality it's working good. That's what it says. There's some other history on here as well. Scheduling devices. I went through all that with you before. So what we're going to do with this video here is that we're going to do just like the viewer suggested. I'm going to pull the filter out, and I haven't done it yet. This is just, we're going to do this together live. I'm going to see how it looks at 78%, still good. So it's used around 25% roughly, right around there. And it does Wi-Fi, like I said. It has all the features and benefits, super quiet. It definitely makes a difference down here. I have a lot of yarn down here. And the reason why I got this is because I don't want to have the basement smell of the yarn. And honestly, the yarn smells just as fresh as the day I put it down here, about maybe a month and a half ago, and no issues at all. So, and yarn is very porous, so it picks up a lot of scent, and the basement smells really fresh and clean. Not bad. It's doing a great job. I got it plugged in over here in the back. I want to show you. Let's unplug this real quick, put it on the table. Let's take a look at the filter and see together how it's been working. Let's take it. Here's the plug right here. I'll unplug that. Let's put it on the table and see how it looks. Okay, guys, I have it on the bench here, and just like before, we have to tip it upside down and take out the filter. Let's inspect it together. This is the first time I've looked at this filter in a month. Let's take a look at it together. Now, to take out the filter, like in my last video, you just twist this here, like that there, and this opens it up, just like this. Pop it out, like that. And we're going to open it up and take a look inside here and see what we have now. The inspection on the outside here, it looks pretty clean, I have to tell you. I don't see much dirt. It looks, this is how you, use a little thumb screw, pop this out. This just comes off, okay? This slides out, just like that. And geez, I think, honestly, it looks really still very, very clean. Again, this has been running, just like the viewer said, around a month. It looks actually really, really well. Now, I'm not sure if they use a timer, like the time, how long this has been in for. Maybe they give you like a 90-day window, or maybe 4 months. Maybe it's just on like a timer, basically. And I don't see much dirt in here at all. It looks really clean. The basket looks clean. The actual inside the filter, inside the basket itself, the fan looks clean. I don't see much dust and dirt, honestly. I don't see much of anything wrong with this filter, like it's down to 25%. I don't even see that. So I don't know if they use a timer, if they're actually really reading the filter. I don't really know. As you can see, it looks still brand new. So I'm going to run this. There's a little bit of dust in here, not much, very little. Not enough certainly to change it. So if this was even down another 25 or 50%, I don't think it'd be that dirty. Even the inside doesn't look bad. The charcoal doesn't smell bad. Honestly, really not bad at all. Let's put this back together. So my thought is, I don't know. It looks okay to me. I don't see much of an issue with this filter whatsoever. Honestly, it looks like brand new still to me. And I said, there's some dust in the bottom. That's from sitting on the floor. Been running for a month straight, just like the viewer said. Let's pop this back in here. Easy to change, like I said. Just snap it in. That locks it in like that there. Let's tip it upside down. Let's plug it in real quick here. Let's see what the reading is. Got the lights off so you can see better. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi. That's why it's blinking. Here's red. That's how you saw that red for a second. That's what it first did when I first turned it on. So now it's going through its cycle. Hopefully, I don't know. Now it says red, blue. Now it's on blue. And going back and forth. Here's the green, the orange. So that's the colors. Green, orange, red, blue seems to be the color. Maybe it's going through a certain cycle. It'll settle down, I'm sure, eventually. Turn it up a little bit more. Let's crank that up. There we go. That's like full speed. Let's put this back down where it was. I like 3. 3 seems to be okay. And now we're on a solid blue, so maybe it goes through a setup cycle. You can see all the different lights changing. It gives you the indication of the air quality. So far, so good. I mean, like you saw the filter with me, it looked really clean. Let's take a quick look at the app before I finish up the video. I want to thank the viewer for reaching out to me and just letting me know, you know, just check on the filter, see what's going on. So let's get the app up and running again. Let's see what the filter life is at. Still at 78%. That's what it says. It says, okay, so that's what we have. Jeez, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Well, we'll see. Let's give it another. I'm going to test it until it's down to like 20. It's another month or two. So I'll do another quick video just to check on that. But honestly, I'm very happy with this. I'll leave a link over here like I did last time. This is the QR code for the product right here. Also down below, there'll be a link for this product. I'm definitely going to recommend it. It's doing its job. It's cleaning the basement. The must is gone. The smell is gone. Everything looks really, really good. And you can see the filter looks great. I don't see any issues with the filter. I don't see any issues whatsoever. It looks fantastic. Again, small with plasma wave. I like the plasma wave on personally. That's what the P stands for. If you want to see the full review, there'll be a link at the end of the video. Also up here, I'll put a link if you want to watch this full unboxing. I explain everything, all the features and benefits and what this is all about. So definitely if you're looking for a small air filter, I'm going to go ahead and recommend this. I do get a small commission, as you do know, help support my channel, which costs you nothing. It just helps support me. And I appreciate everyone who tunes in and watches all these videos to give you as much information as possible. Again, I got this at Costco, and if they don't have it at Costco, there'll be a link. You can go ahead and purchase it online or something very close. The Winix brand is a very good brand. I like it. And I think any of these brands are going to work great for you. So if it's not this exact one, don't yell at me. Don't say, oh, it's not the right one. That's what's available online. So, or if you're at your local Costco, go ahead and pick it up yourself. Totally up to you. Whatever's convenient for you, go ahead and do that. That's what I have. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out quite a bit, getting my channel close to 20,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I have almost 10 million views on this channel since I started. Again, I want to thank all of you for watching. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. It really, really does. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review. And don't forget to follow, like, and share. It means a lot, and I'll see you at the next video.